Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can claim up to $18,000 worth of free airdrops, totally free. You actually get this totally free. I'm going to be showing you this video, the step-by-step process of how you can claim these airdrops. All of them are accumulated together here. As you can see in my wallet, with proof is worth $18,000. And let me refresh that so you guys can see that it's not just some screenshots. So as you can see, I've refreshed it, and as you can see, this is the price. It's still worth $18,000. So you can check each of them. As you can see, this one is worth $13,000. This one is worth $3,000, and each of them have their own coin, and they are actually exchangeable. And I'll show you in this video how and when you can exchange these tokens. So first of all, I would like to tell you, if you're interested in more money making videos, make sure you hit this red subscribe button down below and turn on the notifications bell, so you and click all, so you don't get to miss any of our money making updates. You'll be the first person to get those updates. Before we get started, I'd like to share a giveaway in this video also. So basically in this video I'll be giving away 10,000 king tokens to any of my subscribers. So basically what you just need to do is to come to here, and basically you must be a subscriber of the channel. What you just do is let me just show you. You click on subscribe, click on all, and the bell notifications, and you're qualified as long as you also like this video. So like, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I will actually reply to your comments. I'll be picking the winner. Or let me just pick like 3 people. Let me share it among 3 people. I'm picking the winner, one this night and 2 tomorrow. So basically, if you want to win those tokens, just make sure you like, share this video, subscribe, and comment. Drop a comment in the video. It's basically free, and you don't need to do any other thing. So I'll be picking the winners randomly, and so you have to comment. If I reply to your comments in the comment section, note I won't ask you to contact me on WhatsApp or anything. Don't fall for anyone who asks you to contact them on WhatsApp. So basically, I will ask you to drop your king token address. I'll tell you how you can get it and ask you to drop it on the comment section there. So I'll actually send you the free crypto. So alright, without wasting much of your time, let's get to today's video. So I'll be showing you step by step how to claim each of these tokens. As you can see, some of these tokens will actually be exchangeable next month, so it's very good if you can actually claim these tokens immediately, while some will be exchanged maybe in 2 months, 3 months time. They'll be up for exchange. So these are free airdrops where you don't have to pay anything for. So basically, the first one, let me talk about the MetaUFO airdrop. So MetaUFO airdrop, if you want to claim it, I have $13,000 worth of that. So if you want to claim it, basically what you just do is you go to your Trust wallet. Sorry, I don't know why I closed it. Save your Trust wallet. When you go to your Trust wallet, open your Trust wallet, then go to this section, the DApp section. I'll be dropping the link to this airdrop in the description box. So once you click on it, there's another video on my channel where I'll be showing you how you can claim. I've done it before, how you can claim this airdrop. So if you're having problems with it, just go and watch that video also to learn how to claim the airdrop. So this will be exchangeable in June, in the month of June. I'm not sure the exact date, but in June it will be exchangeable. So you can go ahead and claim this airdrop. So basically, this airdrop, let me just show you the video on the channel so you guys can claim it. So if you are looking for that airdrop, you can check my channel. Go to my channel page. As long as you subscribe, you can see it here. Before it was $680, so you can see it here and actually claim the MetaUFO airdrop. This is it here. You can watch that video to learn how to claim it and claim it for yourself. That's free money also. So let's move on to the next one. I told you I won't let this video be that long, so you guys can go ahead and claim each of them. So the next one now is going to be our Terrkh airdrop. So if I check on my basically, let me just show you guys on my Telegram. So I still have comment. Let me just pause this so we don't waste time. Okay, so to get the Terrkh airdrop, that one is worth around $3,000. So here I have it's Telegram bot, Telegram airdrop. I'm trying to look for the airdrop bot on my channel. So yeah, this is it. So I just made a withdrawal again in February 16th. This one is still active, so you can also claim this. I'll be dropping the link to this also in the description box. So basically, to do it, you just have to scroll up. You have to follow the instructions. They're basically simple. Just follow them on Twitter, join their Telegram channel, blah blah blah, things like that, simple things like that, and you actually get paid. So let me make a live withdrawal here so you guys can see. That's if I still have, because I withdrew very recently. So I don't know if I have. So balance. Okay, I still have some new ones that are there. So let me just click on withdraw. So basically, they've sent it to my wallet, but it will take up to 48 hours to enter. But if I'm lucky, before the end of this video, the what is it called, the token should enter. But let me just check Trust wallet in case but I don't think you should enter immediately. But let's just check. It won't take anything to check it. So okay, so it hasn't entered yet. So basically, that's it. So if you want more info about that, you can also go to the YouTube channel. Let me show you that video so you guys, because I've been seeing that some people have been asking how to claim, but they don't know how to claim it. They've not seen the videos. Okay. Yeah, this is it. So this is the Terrkh airdrop video. This is it. If you want to learn how to claim it, let's say if you are not sure, or if you didn't get the explanation very well, you can go ahead and check that to learn how to claim it. So now let's move on to the next airdrop. So some of these videos you might not actually see them on my channel again, but I'll be showing you how you can get them. So the next one is Metamusk Air Drop. This was actually worth more than 1,000, but the price has reduced, but at least it's free. So I have up to 740 million Metamusk tokens. Well, this token is actually legit because this one is actually listed on Hotbit exchange. You can check out Hotbit exchange. Metamusk token is actually listed there already, so you can go ahead and claim this. So once this will also be unlocked around maybe April, May. So most of these airdrops will be unlocked next month. So you can go ahead and do yourself a favor to claim this airdrop. And to claim this also is also on my YouTube channel. So if you're enjoying this video to this point, just make sure you drop a like for us, as it really help. It means a lot. So yeah, so let's the MetaMask airdrop. So you can see the video here, guys. So you can learn how to claim that. That's also legit, and that's also listed on Pancake Swap. So that one is actually a very legit airdrop. So do well to claim it, and this is also another video on how to claim it. So do well to claim that token, as that one is confirmed, that one is legit. So you can go ahead and claim it. So if you're interested in more money making videos, guys, make sure you just hit the subscribe button. As you can see, I dropped a video about 6 days ago on how you can mine free Litecoin, and basically that's what we do here. We just teach you guys how you can make free money. So as always, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to turn on all notifications, and I'll be doing more giveaways in more of my videos. And to get the giveaways, you have to turn on the notifications bell, as that will make you stand a higher chance of getting it before other people do. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video.